Good morning. Welcome back to the Stationery Muse channel. I decided to do kind of a different video on here. I've never done a kind of a vlog style video, but I thought it would be kind of fun. Today is actually the day when I'm going to be sending out the boxes for this month, which will be the July box. So I thought it would be kind of fun to show you guys that and just show you a little bit of my day with the Stationery Muse and just getting everything together. I actually just got done eating breakfast. Definitely loving my little mug today. I'm a mug hoarder, so I literally have all of these mugs with all these sayings on it. This one is from, I think it's probably turned around backwards, but maybe not, I don't know. This one is from T Plus Shade, and it says, "Strong women don't wilt, we bloom." So I love this one, and I have this little herbal peach tea from C.O. Bigelow in there, and it's so good. But yeah, so I have a lot of work to do, and I just thought I would show you guys some clips. I also need to clean up the office, so I might do like a little time lapse type of thing later on in the video to show you me cleaning it up. But yeah, so stick around and I'll see you guys soon. Alright, so it's a little bit later now. The first half of the day I actually was working on some stuff for a client because I do some design work as well. And I'm working on something kind of cool. It's a tea bag, so that's my first time doing something like that. So that's what I've been doing since earlier. And now I'm in my actual office, and yeah, it's pretty messy in here. I'm gonna just kind of show some things. This is the desk. I'm actually binge watching season 4 of Jane the Virgin because I didn't even realize it was on Netflix. I used to love that show, and then I was like thinking that it was off, and then all of a sudden I noticed that it was on there. Like, it's probably sold. It doesn't even say new season anymore. So yeah. And then this is my prep table. This is where I'm getting ready to get all this stuff together for the boxes, like I mentioned earlier. So that's kind of what I'm getting ready to do now. And then I am going to straighten up a little bit. I will be honest, I did straighten up some because it was a disaster in here. Like, I couldn't even walk on the floor because it was like so much stuff everywhere. From just like doing a plan with me's, going through my stickers, just all kind of stuff. But now I'm going to go ahead and get settled somewhere so that I can get this together. But I still have to clean this desk. This is just giving you a little insight to my office. Maybe I'll do an official office tour when things are actually clean and together. But yeah, this is the desk where I do a lot of my stuff at. I do a lot of like product videos and photos. This is my desk where my computer is, which as you can see is a complete mess. And then over here is kind of like some different drawers and everything. So this is a tour of mess. So thanks for joining us. Alright, so I'm getting ready to start packaging everything up. This is kind of everything all laid out, but I wanted to show you guys one of the things I like to do. I always like to do personalization in the boxes. And so I have these little mimosas, and I'll try to insert a picture of what it looked like with the packaging. Well, you'll see it because I'm going to show you the whole kind of process of getting them all packaged up. But I'm going to add on some letters. So I'm going to prop up the camera and show you, and maybe just do like a time lapse of me getting all the boxes together, and enjoy. So I'm getting ready to send out kind of like, I do it a little bit weird, but this is kind of like the second half of the boxes. So I'm sending out the other half, and I'm getting ready to use, I don't know what's really the best way, but I think I might just do another time lapse. But yeah, a lot of the items that I make are handmade, but then there's also different ones that I'll order from different places and things as well to kind of like curate the box and make it really special and everything. So as you watch it, you'll just kind of get a feel for how special each box is. Like, they're really fun to put together, And yeah, so the box that you're seeing right now, the one that I'm showing, this was the July box, and the theme was brunch date. This is like the little card that's inside of there for all of them. And yeah, the theme was brunch date. This was an anniversary box, so I was really excited. I have this brand new packaging, so I'm really excited about that. And it was just a big deal. So this box is no longer going to be available, but when you're watching this, the August box will actually be available, and that theme, I will say, it's going to be pretty nice. So if you are interested, there'll be links and stuff down below if you want to learn any more about the Live Love Inspire box or anything like that. But I'm going to go ahead and get these boxes packaged up because I really don't want this to take up the entire day, and then I have to go and pick up the registration for our car. We got a new car, and the actual, like, we're still waiting on the actual license plate to come in the mail, so I have to go back to the dealer and get another temporary tag because we're still waiting. So I don't know what that's about, but yeah, so I'll be dropping off the packages on my way there, and maybe I'll take you guys to the post office. We'll see. But anyway, enjoy this little packaging. So of course I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys so you can see exactly what it was that everybody was getting, but this is the packaging when you open up the box. And so like I showed, you get the little mimosa with your initial on it, and then we have some different things. I have a little QR code thing underneath that's just kind of exclusive for the box family. This shows what all comes in the box, and this is a little extra sticker. All right, I'm gonna untie this. That off, and then inside, absolutely love this scalloped tissue paper. It's like one of my favorite features of the packaging. And so then inside, let's have what you get. All right, so this is how it looks in there. So we have that washi tape. I'm not gonna actually open everything up because I want to make it quick. But yes, they get the washi tape. This is what it actually looks like. And it has a ton of different like little sandwiches and waffles on there. And then we have the little brunch money pouch. Super duper cute. You get the little paper clips that I kind of showed me packaging them up, but this particular one had an egg and a waffle together in there. And this is what the waffle looks like because I know it was kind of covered up. But yeah, the waffle looks like that. And then on the back, it's like the little hearts. And then you get one of the little stickies. So this person got the donut. A cute little pin. And then it comes with a 3-pack of cards, the Rose All Day. So it comes with the Rose All Day card, this brunch card, and then the little bacon card. With some gold envelopes. This is what they look like. Kind of shimmery. They're really pretty. And then we have the journaling card set So it's 3 different ones that you get in that. And then this is the sticker kit, and I'll insert a picture of the sticker kit so you guys can see what the full thing looks like, because I'm actually going to be packaging this up. But that's what comes in there. Alright, so I just wanted to properly end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching it. I'm getting ready to go take the second shipment of the boxes to the post office. But I figured it would be kind of cool to show you guys how I prepped the boxes and everything. A lot of the stuff was already made. I just had to kind of throw it in like the packaging again and all that stuff. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video so much. Thank you again, like I said, for watching. And I will see you guys in another one. I think I'm going to make this a little bit of a routine, and I might even share my office tour. So let me know if that's something that you want to see or not down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.